Hello and welcome to And Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into one of Photoshop's most powerful and versatile tools, the layer mask. Now, masking in Photoshop can actually be done in two ways, using a layer mask or a clipping mask. The names sound similar, but the functions are quite different. A layer mask lets you hide or reveal specific parts of a single layer, giving you non-destructive control over visibility. A clipping mask, on the other hand, uses the shape or content of one layer to control the visibility of another. Once you understand this distinction, you will be able to use masking like a pro to create flexible, clean, and professional edits in your photographs. Both are useful, but today we'll focus on mastering layer mask. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design related content. And if you'd like to request a particular video or tutorial, please comment below. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use layer masks with images, brushes, colors, and even adjustment layers to make selective edits. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Here, I have got a solid blue fill layer on top of a cat photo. The little box next to the fill layer, that's the mask. And here's the golden rule to remember. White reveals, black conceals. If I invert the mask, it turns black. The blue disappears and the cat shows through. Step 2. You don't always need to mask fully white or black. Select the mask, grab the brush tool from the tools menu, and paint directly on it. Paint with black to hide the blue and reveal the cat. Paint with white to bring the blue back. Or paint with grey for partial transparency. I'm picking this shade which is between black and white. Step 3. Masks always come with every adjustment layer. Let's say I want to brighten only the sky in the photo. I'll add a curves adjustment to boost the highlights. I'm selecting adjustments from the right panel, go to curves, then adjust the curves to boost the highlights. Right now it affects the entire image, so I'll invert the mask to hide the adjustment. Now go to the Tools menu and select white foreground color and then paint over the sky. Now the adjustment applies exactly where I want it, just the sky, while the foreground of the entire image remains untouched. And that's a wrap on layer masks. You have just learned how to use them to hide, reveal, and blend parts of your edits, all without destroying the original image. They are especially handy for photo retouching, creative composites, and making precise selective adjustments. If you'd like to dive deeper into masking, including the other method, the clipping mask, keep an eye out for our next video. Watch this space for more on the topic along with many other quick and super easy Photoshop techniques. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to And Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content. See you soon, and as always, happy designing.